search of true love that transcends time. Yan ang kwento sa likod nitong world-class stage spectacle na Chaos. Collaboration ito ng mga magagaling na international artist, designer, and production team kung saan pangunahing gaganap sa lead role ay ang mga Pilipino gaya ni Kapuso Gian Magdangal, half Pinay Canadian Idol standout Martha Joy, at veteran performer Joel Trinidad.
When I found out that I would be playing Giselle, I was in Toronto, but I had no idea how large a production this was going to be. I was so excited when I came and I saw the theater and yung different stunts from all over the world.
We did auditions all over the world for the show. And as it came through, of course, the Filipinos are naturally talented with wonderful singing voices and fantastic dancing abilities. So when we were doing the auditions for that, we had to give all those main roles to the local talents.
Kombinasyon ng acrobatic stunts, magic, musika at awit ang palabas na ito. Kakalibre daw nito ang mga napapanood sa Broadway at Las Vegas. Kaya pala ganoong katindi ang pag-ensayo ng sikat na hip-hop group na Philippine All-Stars ng aming naabutan na kabilang din sa magtatanghal.
Every day, like, we rehearse para magpakita ng magandang show dito. Every day we train para mabigyan sila ng energy na mararamdaman nila.
Ang mga Chinese acrobat matindi rin ang pag-ensayo. Pinipino ng husto ang kanilang mga galaw para ma-perfect ang stunt na kailangan sa produksyon. Bukod sa metikulosong preparasyon, malalaki at high-tech din ang props. Inimport pa raw ito sa ibang bansa at custom design para sa makabagong stage ng nasabing palabas.
Chaos is just like the realization of many dreams that we all had. When we came here and told we were going to be opening a theatre, we really wanted our first show to be something that would be memorable and everyone in the Philippines would be talking about.
At bilang patikim, heto ang ilang tagpo sa spellbinding production na Chaos.
That's amazing, Mare. Grabe!
Wow, wala ako nasabi na mas intelligible kesa dun sa wow.
Balik po tayo sa Chaos at kasama po natin
may
ngayon.
sa kanya. Ayan.
Walang iba, kundi ang master illusionist dito, si Enrique Polo.
Ayan.
Woo! At ang kanyang alagang white tiger.
Wow.
Very rare.
Ganyan-ganyan kami yung aso ko dati pero di hamak na maliit.
Si Bantay.
Si Bantay.
Alright.
Wow! Great job! Fantastic! All right, and of course, joining us this morning is none other than the master illusionist, Mr. Enrique Polo. Ayan.
Yan, habang ginagawa.
Kasama yung tiger.
Pinapalaya niya muna yung tiger, Mare. Nga pala, no, dito po merong Newport Ultra Cinema 1 na kailangan yung maranasan.
Yan, oo, kasi maganda rin yung kanilang mga seats. Meron pa silang butler service.
That's
Ilan
right.
isa lang po yan sa makikita nyo dito sa Resorts World Manila. Good morning,
Good
Enrique.
morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Enrique.
There you go.
This is your microphone.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning. Okay, first of all, how are you friends with all these animals?
Well, these animals, they are born in my house. You know, we own more than 25 tigers. And
You own the animals?
Yeah, yeah.
All of them white tigers?
No, normal tigers and white tigers. And well, you know, they're used to of people, you know, they're born in our house. My kids, they both fit in there when they're babies.
So they're very friendly animals.
Yes.
I heard that you have a special connection with your
Yeah,
animals.
my animals, they are a fantastic animal. I mean, to do whatever we do with the animals, you have to have a special contact with them and a special relationship. So they have to be 100% confidence
Yes.
that you will not take him or her to something dangerous, you know.
To any harm.
That's
So they
true.
trust you, and you trust them as well.
Of course.
Oh, wow. How long does it take to master and act like that? Because Lynn and I were trying to figure out where the lady went and where the
exactly.
tiger came from.
Well, you know, this is a very special illusion. This is one of the best illusions that never create nobody. And the thing is, the tiger is in a place where this very very small place, and I don't gonna tell you where.
Of course.
And because you look at me like that, he's gonna tell him. He's gonna tell him.
So,
And he have to be very very quiet and
Yes.
very, so
And
it's not-
still.
yeah, it's
Oh,
not-
wow. Amazing, amazing.
so Enrique, what is your most famous illusion, and what people will see it, of course,
Well,
in Chaos?
this is one of my favorite illusion. You know, all the illusion I have with my tigers, we have many illusions, but this is one of my favorites because nobody figured it out how.
Yeah, I know, we can't figure it out.
And even the people, even the working here in the show, they even think, what is the wizard?
So the secret is really with you. Even the people who work in the staff, they don't know.
Wow.
They don't know.
I'm gonna go there and talk to somebody.
But your family will know.
That's true.
Thank you so much. And of course, this is just a small part of what
Yeah.
they can see at Chaos.
Of course, the show is a fantastic show, and we have many illusion, and not only me, also the stone people.
Yes.
The wheel of the globe, and I mean the whole show is a fantastic show.
Yes, a lot of
Spectacle,
acts within Chaos that you should watch.
Yeah, thank you so much, Enrique.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. And of course, babalik naman kami ngayon sa studio.
Punta kayo dito, Pia, Connie.
Gawin namin kayo.
Pupunta kami dyan. Let's go. Sige. Pero talaga to Saturday.
This Saturday.
Save mo ko ng seats. Yan. Mula ko sa nakakamanghang kwento dyan kina Lynn at saka ni Suzy. Aba, eto naman dumako po tayo sa isa na namang exciting at nakakatawang series po ang papanood naman natin mamayang gabi na sa GMA Telebabad kung saan magtatabang for the very first time sa telebisyon sina Miss Regine Velasquez at si Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. Naabangan ko yan Ang sentro po ng mga nakakatawang eksena ng I Heart You pare, Ate Sisilipin kasama sina Kuya Lar at Luan. Guys, I heart you! I heart you guys! I heart you guys!
Oh, di ba?
Alright.
Ang aga.
Good
morning, Kuya Lar.
Good morning, Luan. Mga kaibigan, yung nakikita niyo po dito sa likod namin ay yung 15 impersonators and drag queens na napili
Nag-audition.
sa libo raw ang
Nag-audition,
nag-audition.
yes,
At
that's right,
pumili
Kuya.
sila ng 15. Kaya makikita niyo naman talagang mga ang
Mga
gagaling.
professional
Mga
itong mga ito.
professional
Tingnan mo, ang
talaga.
aga-aga, oh.
Oo, walang
lang ng
umaga,
sayaw,
walang
diba?
gabi.
Nakita mo
At
ba
kita
yung
mo
mga-
naman ang mga costume at ang
That's
mga
right, Kuya Lar. And speaking of costume,
Ay,
iwanan muna kita dyan, Kuya
sige.
Lar. Pumunta tayo dito.
Ayun,
Samahan
pupunta
niyo
naman
ako
mga
dito
kaibigan si
dahil...
Luan sa mga costume.
Yes, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung
at
costumes
ipapakita
na
niya ang mga
ginagamit ni
ginagamit
Ate Reg
ng
dito.
mga drag queens at syempre
Ayan.
ang costume ni Regine.
Ang
Luan.
hair. Ito, Kuya Lar, ay yung mga hair, iba't ibang klaseng kulay ng buhok dyan. At ito yung mga damit, mga sapatos, at kung ano pa, mamaya makakasama po natin si Ate Reg. At tatanungin natin sa kanya kung gaano ba kahirap magbihis ng ganito, paiba-iba, kagaya na lang nito. Yan. Kuya Lar, balikan kita dyan. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo dyan?
Okay, so ayan na. From costume to makeup, nakikita nyo naman mga kaibigan, mga...
May bako? Ayan o, Big Bird.
Ay, nag-aaway si Sarsi at saka si Vodka.
Ang aga-aga. Diyos ko. Sige, ayusin mo mukha mo. Ganyan ang pag-contour. Ganon? Hindi ko kailangan.
Ayan.
Hindi. Maganda ako. Hindi ko kailangan. Ito ang kailangan mo. Oh.
Ayan na. So, talagang magkaaway talaga si Vodka tsaka si Sarsi, di ba?
Amoy alkohol! Dito! Ano ba to?
Alright. So, mamayang gabi na. People, first time mo gumanap sa bading, drag queen sa isang series.
Yes, first time ko to and actually I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying it.
Anong sabi ni Lynn?
Wala naman, tuwa-tuwa siya at makikita niyang naka-girl ako dahil para daw siyang nakaharap sa salamin dahil magkamukha kami.
At
How about you, Paul? Oo, medyo ayaw na raw tumabi ng mga babae sa'yo pag nakabis babae ka na at naka-makeup ka na. Kasi ang ganda-ganda mo. Ayun, no?
May nanalo na.
May nanalo. Ikaw na yun.
Ang ginagawa ko lang naman, hindi naman ako nagme-makeup ng todo. Lipstick lang at saka eyeliner.
Pagkagising mo, yan na yun. Oo nga. Maaga pa.
Pero
Yan na
gano'ng
yun.
katagal ginagawa yung mo?
Makeup mo.
Mga 200 years, gano'n.
Siyempre, kasama rin natin dito ang iba pang members ng cast, si Mark
Yes.
Abaya. Mark.
Good morning po.
Bibigay ka na rin.
Dito, Mark, ano ka naman, no? Kababata at talagang mangingibig ni Tonya.
Yes sir, ako po si Joel. So kami ni Miss Via po, kabarkada namin si Miss Regine at kami po yung nagbabantay kay Regine at ako naman in love po ako sa kanya, di niya alam at malalaman natin sa show kung kami magkakatuloy na sila ni Ding Dong, okay lang.
Ayun, at Via.
Ako po si Polly, yung pong best friend, ever supportive best friend ni Tonya.
Best friend at tumatumbling-tumbling.
Yes.
Okay mo.
At makakasama rin natin, mamaya andyan pa sila Kevin, siya si Joel,
Kevin
at syempre si
Santos.
Peter Serrano, ang best friend ni Vodka. Mamaya po yan sa pagbabalik ng Unang Hit!
One look and then yung iba na malagkit, dumikit ang tingin ng mata. One smile, iba nang ibig sabihin. Di na friends ang tingin niya sa'kin. Everyday parating we're together every week. Palaging may sleepover. Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit ba di ko nun nakita until out of the blue? I'm feeling so true. Bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that
sa tikas ng kanyang katawan. Masarap. Ganyan ang dating niya sa babae man o sa...